Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous Resto-Mod 1970 Chevelle SS. God, what a pretty car, bro.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's a 1970 Nova. It has a 434 small block. It puts out...
Crate motor?
Yeah, it puts out 540 horsepower, 570 foot-pounds of torque.
What?
It's got a 700R.
Wait a minute. Is that at the wheel or is that the crank?
At the crank.
Wow.
It has a 700R transmission with Overdrive. It's got a Dana 60 rear with 373 gears.
Hodgkin sway bars.
Yeah, it's got a lot of stuff in it. 90% of the motor compartment, braided lines, gas lines, everything. 90% it's all new radiator. Holley carburetor. I believe it's a 750 CFM.
You got a Cowl track set up under there? The ladder bar?
Yeah.
Cool. Wilwood disc brakes all the way around. Looks like two-piece rotors up front. Foose wheels. Those drag radials are really nice too. They're not cheap.
They're not.
I had those on my vet. Beautiful paint. Almost looks like electron blue. Do you know the color?
No, I don't know.
Looks like Corvette electron blue. Steel cowl hood. Gorgeous paint, chrome stainless. Man, this thing is brand new. Even have a clear bra up front, huh?
Yep.
Very cool. Lightly tinted windows. And better than new, right? Got a lot of money invested in this car.
Yeah, I would probably say it's got 3,000 miles, about 3,000 miles on the motor, tranny, and rear. Everything was put in at the same time when I had the motor built. HID lights.
LEDs in the rear.
Yeah, those are, I just had them put on, and those are very expensive.
Did you get them from Digilights? Or somewhere else? Because I put those on a CUDA.
The guy that installed them for me, I don't remember where he got them from, but they had to be custom made. They don't have them in stock.
Oh, they don't?
No.
Wow, cool.
I had to wait a month and a half to have them built and shipped to us.
Wow. Beautiful. And beautiful lines on this car. Just the way the door's shut. Look at this. Just so nice. Actually, it's got all brand new rubbers and everything all the way around. There it goes. Awesome.
Yeah, it's straight. It's pretty straight.
Let's check it under the hood. Wow. So what do we got under here?
It's a 434 small block.
Wow. Aluminum heads. Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Power steering. Power brakes. Mandrel bent headers. Man, done right. Big aluminum radiator with a electric fan. HID headlights up front. You also have lights underneath too, right?
Yes. Lights underneath and also inside the wheel wells.
Oh, cool.
And they blow.
Oh, cool. K&N air filter. Looks like a 650 double pumper. Electronic ignition. Blaster coil. MSD 6AL. Edelbrock fuel pump. All braided lines. Chrome alternator. Chrome bracket. Man, no expense spared on this car. Awesome. Beautiful interior. Nice lofty bench seat. This car is new. Stewart Warrner gauges, so I guess you put the gauges in when you did the build, right?
Yes.
3,160 miles.
That was pretty much the only thing that I had done to the inside. Well, other than the shifter.
Yeah. Cool. Let's fire this bad boy up, bro. Sounds good. Definitely wake up the neighborhood with that.
Yeah.
It is awesome. So one switch for the exhaust cutouts, right?
Yes.
Awesome.
That's the cool thing about it, because you can drive the car around and
yeah.
It sounds quiet and
civil.
Yes.
Until you.
And then and then if you like to hear the car,
yeah.
the true rumble of the car, you hit that switch and there it is.
Yeah.
People start turning heads and it's.
Yeah. All hell broke loose.
Yeah. It's people. It's just.
Can we take really it for a quick ride?
Sure.
Yeah. Let's go. The switch. Nice, quiets it down. That's great, bro. That's so cool. Who did the work on the motor and all that?
It was a guy from Centereach, Big Sal Racing Engines.
Oh, those guys are great.
Yeah, they built some crazy stuff. But, you know, I always heard good things about him. That's why I ended up going with him.
Yeah, reputation's everything.
Yes, I have a couple of friends that they used to drag race, and open headers.
Yeah. Open it up. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Woohoo, there he goes. Thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.